Hey everyone! If you're using Windows 10 or 11 and you're experiencing audio issues, like no sound or seeing a symbol on the speaker icon, don't worry. In today's video, I'll show you the solution to fix this problem quickly and easily. At first, go to Windows Search. Now search for Services. Then go inside Services. Here, there is a service called Windows Audio. Find it. After finding it, double-click on it. Here, make sure that the startup type is automatic, and the service status should be running. If it is stopped, then click on Start. The status will become running. Then click on OK. This will fix your computer's audio. If it still doesn't work, go to your computer's setting option. Here, go to the Windows Update option at the bottom, then go to Advanced Options, and then go to Optional Update at the bottom. If you have any updates here, update it. I have 2 updates here. Mark them both, and click on Download and Install to update. Or you can back up twice, and then click on Check for update. This will solve the audio or sound problem. If it still doesn't work, go to your PC's Settings option and click on System, then click on Sound. If you scroll down a little, you will find an option called More Sound Settings. Click here. Check if your correct speaker is selected. Right-click on the speaker here. Now, check if the speaker is enabled. If it is disabled, then enable it. Then click on Properties. Here, click on the Levels option at the top. Here, set the audio output to above 80%. If you reduce it completely, no sound will come out of your speakers. So increase its volume. Then click on OK. Press OK again. Now check if the audio problem on your computer is resolved. If your PC's sound problem is still not resolved, then you can apply this method. First, go to the Windows Search option, then search for Troubleshoot Settings. Then click on it. Here, click on the Other Troubleshooters option. Now click on Audio Run. Here you will see an option called, Do we have your consent to run automated diagnostic to try solving your audio problem? Click Yes here. Now it will run an automated diagnostic and solve the problem. Once this is done, the audio problem diagnostic will appear. Now, your computer's audio sound problem is probably solved. If you only have no sound in some apps, such as no sound in Chrome, then right-click on the speaker logo below. Then click on Open Volume Mixer. Here you can set the volume of different apps. From here, you can increase the sound of all apps. If you want, you can reset it by clicking on the Reset Option key. Hopefully, this will solve your problem. If you liked the video, please subscribe to the channel and like it. You can let us know about any problems in the comments. Thanks for watching.